cupcakes?
Okay, there.
Oh, cupcakes. Do you love cupcakes?
Come on,
Is that what you ate? And what color were they? Were they chocolate?
No.
Were they white?
Keep going, keep going.
What color were those cupcakes?
Get on with it.
And what
No, they're doing a jig.
Cutest cupcakes.
What?
What was chocolate cupcakes?
Hush.
A bean.
Yeah, there was marshmallows. You could cut like little peanuts.
Do you want to show your mommy the candles?
Now she's
Are
praying.
going to be for your birthday cake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine, okay.
Let's have a look at them.
Julia,
Yeah.
hi.
Did you want a beer or
Hi.
wine?
I'm going to help myself to a glass of wine.
Hi.
Okay.
Hello. What's this?
That's good. That shouldn't frighten the children too much.
Yeah, just like Julia. I'm waiting to show your mommy. This was about the
Daddy.